Hey, what's up, Divas? It's Brandy, and I'm here with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how I achieved that awesome nail look without breaking the budget. This is my first DIY, and let's get right into this video. We start off with Kiss, and these are actually, they were stick-on nail, but you can see it's Kiss glitter nails, and these are in medium. Now, Kiss does make them in, here I got Glam Fantasy long ones, so if you wanted to use the long ones, and you can actually buy just the plain ones and glue them on. So that's basically all we're going to do, but I'm going to use the glitter ones. I started off with this one, which already had some sticky stuff still left on it. So let's get right into it, and we're going to use, I already took it out, got all materials. We're going to do the Christmas holiday color, so you got your silver, you got some reds, you got some gold, and you got top coat to make it glossy for your gel look, so, and some green glitter, more green glitter, and last but not least, silver glitter. And I already took this out the package. We have our Kiss nail glue, which is in this bottle, already open, so let's get started. before and after. So this is the easy way for you guys to do your nails. I've done some glitter. You can go on the Dollar Tree and they'll have this LA Colors little glitter in the bottle, and you can make your own designs. I've done like a blue nail color. So it's a lot of different things you can do with these nails besides, like I said, spending a bunch of money. Sometimes you got to be on the budget, and the next thing you want to cut out is the nails. But you still want your hands to look glam and pretty, so this is a quick way to do it. You can probably create a bunch of designs on here. They got a bunch of little stuff in the Dollar Tree that you can make your own designs, create your own look. And again, like I said, this one is dry, so I'm gonna throw that on real quick. My top coat gel, get it off. It don't want to come off. We're gonna do the old-fashioned way. How about that? Make sure to put that lid on tight. And then that took my other nail off. Okay, we ain't gonna worry about that. Alright. We got it off. Woo! Got there. Alright, put a little top coat on. Girl, I feel like I'm in the salon doing my own nails, doing my own thing. And you're just gonna put that gel top coat on there. And this is quick if you got somewhere to go. Still got that little piece of hair hanging on for dear life. And so you just want to do something yourself. You can probably get some jewels and gems at the craft store, at I took my color off. Got on it now. At Michael's or Joanne Crafts, and create your own jewel design. You can go on Etsy. They sell like nail cover that you can actually do and put on. All right, we're gonna put that one to the side. But again, this is the finished look. This is the before look. That nail fell off, so that's my real nail. But this is what it looked like before and after. Let's move this out your vision. So, ladies, if you don't want to spend a bunch of money on getting your nails done in a quick way, so you can see, a quick way just to get them done, go and get you some Kiss glitter. They come in all kinds. You can paint over all of them. You can paint over the color ones, all of them. Get you some Kiss press-on nails. They come in press-on with the glue. They come on with sticky. Put these on. I know everybody got a bunch of nail polish somewhere in their house that they can use. And go ahead and create your own designs. You don't have to pay anybody about $40, $50. Just get your nails done for the holiday season. Keep that budget tight. Keep it right. And you can save a couple dollars by doing your own DIY at your own house. And you'll feel like you're in your own nail salon getting your nails done, girl. Get all pretty and glam up on it. So if you're looking for any more DIYs, stay tuned to my channel. If you have not yet, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and next video, I'm going to show you guys all the prizes that I have for my 7-day giveaway. Like I said, I got the wig I got going on, I got some gift cards, I got some perfume coming, some Rihanna Fuente. So stay tuned to my channel, and I will leave all the information on how you guys can get in on that Christmas holiday giveaway. Big giveaway coming. And again, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta. See you. Peace out. Let me give you this finger. Peace out. Love you. Bye. Hey ladies, and this is the finished product. This is what my hand looked like before. This is just what the nails on, the press-on nails, or glued on. I actually glued them on. They were press-on sticky glue, but I glued them on. And this is what they look like. They're not too bad with the glitter. I'm not sure if you can see the glitter up close. A nice look, everyday look. And this is what we have in result with the green, red, and gold nail polish. I could have did silver, but not too shabby. And all I did was I used some nail polish, and we got our glue, Kiss glue, and our Kiss nails in the package. So it's a quick DIY that you guys can save some time and money for the holiday season. Instead of going out, waiting, getting an appointment, might not get an appointment, put the coin in your pocket, save you some money, ladies. And it takes about 15 minutes to do this. To glue them on, from gluing them on to actually gluing, painting, and putting the gel on. About 15 minutes time. So it doesn't take long. Anybody can do it. You paint right over the nail. You don't have to worry about staying in line, going over your hands if you're not got a steady hand. Anybody can do it. Take about 15 minutes of your time. Let it dry, and you'll be on your way. And with them glued on, they'll probably stay on for about 2 weeks. And you know, you can take them off and start again. Make something else new. You can get this stuff all at the Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Dollar General sells all of these products that I got here, and I'll leave all of the information in the description box below. So guys, if you're looking for any more DIYs, stay tuned to my channel if you're looking for any more tips and beauty, fashion, makeup, and my big giveaway is coming up, so stay tuned to that. I will share with you all the prizes that are going to be available. There's 7 days of Christmas giveaway. Not really 7 days, it's actually 7 gifts to give away to show my appreciation for you guys tuning into my channel. So I have 7 fabulous prizes to give away, with a Kate Spade wristlet, lace wig. We got some other prizes, so stay tuned so you can get all the details and how you can actually put your name in for one of the prizes. That'll be in the next video. And again, if you have not liked yet, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell. You'll get all the latest video uploads. Give me a thumbs up, share with your family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ta-ta!